My name is Mike Rodriguez. I've been in the business a little over 5 years now, and I was hired and direct to my best friend in the world, Jeremy Patton, and part of the Paul Roberts organization. So before the alliance, I was in a position where I was miserable. I was working a job overnights at a warehouse, little company. I don't know if you heard of it, called Walmart. But yeah, I was doing that full time. I was a manager there, and wasn't happy. Wasn't making the money I knew I was worth, and I was just looking for something else. And I did that part-time for about 6 months, and was able, after about 6 months, making more money doing this part-time than my full-time gig, and was actually able to fire Walmart. So family reunion 2019 was amazing. By far, of course, it's always the best one, right? The latest one you went to is always the best one. And NatCon 2020 is gonna be the best one that I've ever been to. I've been coming to these things now for over 5 years. So this is like my 10th or 11th one. And I lose count for how many I come to, but it's a necessity for me. It's like taking a shower. It's like you gotta do it over and over and over. And every time I come, I leave with this renewed spirit, this renewed energy that I need to take my business to the next level. And now it's like, oh, the places you'll go, like that Dr. Seuss book, you know, where are we going next? You know, we're going to Thailand. I never even dreamt of going to Thailand, you know, before I met the Alliance, but you know, my dream has expanded. And it's thanks to this system, it's thanks to the Alliance, thanks to Andy Albright, Paul Roberts, and Jeremy Patton. And I'm so grateful for these men and grateful for this opportunity. And I'm a better husband, I'm a better father, I'm a better friend, I'm a better person. And it's all because of the Alliance. And I absolutely love the system.